Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video I'm again telling you about the Dogecoin. In this time, what's the latest update of Dogecoin? In this video I'm going to show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you're new in my channel, so please make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Hope at this time the Dogecoin very fastly moving upward, and I hope that Dogecoin going to the moon at this time. If we look the currently at this time price of the Dogecoin in the market, 0.518816 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Dogecoin friends, as you can see now on the screen. On the other hand, if we look the price change occur in the Dogecoin, so the last 1 hour change is only negative, except of the last 1 hour the both changes the last 1 day and the last 1 week, the both changes are going very good at this time in the Dogecoin. And I hope that Dogecoin again goes to the moon. As you can see here now this time they again take a jump, and I hope that that's a jumping time, that's explosion time. It's at this time they take a high jump. Now I think in the last 1 hour only and only they take a jump, so that is why the last 1 hour change is negative. But soon the change become positive, and the Dogecoin holders are in the moons. How was the Dogecoin coin in this time? How was your feeling about the Dogecoin in this time? Please tell me in the comment box. As you can see here at this time, if we look the previous time of the Dogecoin periods, so the previous time is also going good at this time in the market. If you look the last 1 day price change occur in the Dogecoin, so the last 1 day price changes is absolutely very good, positive 5.91% changes occur in the Dogecoin. Absolutely congratulations to all Dogecoin holders, because at this time the Dogecoin again take a jump, and I hope that is the biggest jump of the Dogecoin. And this time the changes occur as the highest price of the Dogecoin as 0.588634 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dogecoin and the last 1 day and the last 24 hour friends. So that is the latest update. If you want this kind of more news and updates, so please click the subscribe button and like this video for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.